Whisk yourself away to Belo Horizonte, a city nestled in the heart of Brazil. Known for its vibrant culture, here are 3 fun facts to tickle your curiosity. First, Belo Horizonte is home to the Church of St. Francis, an architectural marvel designed by the renowned Oscar Niemeyer. Second, it's the birthplace of pão de queijo, a delicious cheese bread that's a staple in Brazilian cuisine. And third, it hosts one of the largest central market in Latin America, the Mercado Central. Now, hold on to your hats for the quirkiest facts about this city. Did you know Belo Horizonte's streets are arranged like a chessboard? Yep, it's true. Second, locals call it IBH. Try saying that fast. Lastly, the city's zoo houses over 2,000 species, including a lobo guará, also known as the maned wolf, is a species of canid native to Brazil. With a population of over 2.5 million people, Belo Horizonte is a city that never sleeps. Come immerse yourself in its charm and spirit. And hey, for more intriguing insights, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mr.Gurgel. Stay curious, folks.